Hey everyone, my name is Roop Sandhu and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel and also click on bell so you get a notification every single time I upload a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to do makeup inspired by a celebrity who is our favorite, Nimrat Kaira. So I am not going to make myself look like Nimrat Kaira, but I will be doing makeup the way she does. That is very light makeup. She looks very simple hairstyle and yet very fresh looking face. So let's start. So before I start doing my makeup, I want to clean my face to remove all the oil and dirt from the face as it's looking really dull. So I will be using Mamaearth tea tree face wash with tea tree and neem. Neem is good for acne and pimple and otherwise also. This is antibacterial. Tea tree soothes the skin and provides fresh skin. Mamaearth is an Indian brand and these products are free from harmful chemical and all natural. So after washing my face, my skin is all clean and the excess oil is gone. And now I'm going to apply a moisturizer, and I will take Mamaearth Tea Tree Oil Free Face Moisturizer with tea tree and salicylic acid. I'll take some product and apply it on my face. It will moisturize and hydrate my skin. So if you want to buy Mamaearth Tea Tree Face Wash and Moisturizer for acne and pimple, you can use the code SANDHU2021 to get a 20% off on Mamaearth. These products are available at Mamaearth, Amazon, Purple and nykaa. For baby products, you can check on Mamaearth, Amazon and First Cry. Every time you buy from them, they will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant, and the exact geolocation, picture and the species of the plant will be sent to you. Mamaearth has launched their official app where users can get an early access to the sale and an extra discount. So go ahead and shop for your favorite products. So now my face is all clean and my skin feels hydrated, so I'm going to move on to the next step, that is my makeup. So now I'm going to apply a foundation, and I'll be taking one pump of foundation and I'm going to spread it all over my face. I don't want too much of foundation on my face. I don't want a heavy coverage of foundation on my face. I want to keep it really simple and a very thin coverage on my face, just to hide a little imperfections on my face. So this is how I'm going to apply it on my face. I'm going to be spreading the foundation on my face with a wet beauty blender. So after applying a very light coat of foundation, I'm going to be setting my face with a banana powder. This banana powder is surely going to set the foundation a little bit, but also going to give a little bit more coverage, like a little bit more coverage, not a lot. So this is how I'm going to apply banana powder on my face. I don't want to apply too much of this. You can also apply a compact for the same. I am going to do a very light contour, and for that I'll be taking a powder contour and a angled brush, a fluffy angled brush, and I'll be giving a very light contour, not too much, on the forehead as well if you have a big forehead. And then I'm going to contour my nose, and again I'm going to be applying very little, not a lot. So this is how I'm going to contour my nose. Blush, if you want, you can just increase the the intensity of the blush if you want. If you want to keep it simple, you can just keep it very light. Now it's time for a highlighter, and again I will be keeping it very light, not a lot. So just very little amount of highlighter, everywhere. Otherwise I apply quite a lot of highlighter, especially for my tutorials. I like to apply quite a lot of highlighter so that it is visible on the camera. So now I'm going to do my brows, and I'm just going to outline my brows and keep the natural shape of my brows and not try to change it at all. So just trying to apply some amount of product on my brows, not a lot, and brush off my brows. There you go. So now I'm going to move on to my eyeshadow, and I'm applying a very light nude eyeshadow on my crease line, and I'm going to spread it like that. I haven't applied a concealer because I don't need a concealer, because I'm not going for a very dark eyeshadow. I just want a very light eyeshadow on my eyes, so that's why. After that, I'm also going to apply the same nude eyeshadow on my lower lash line as well. A little bit more darker shade, that is a brown shade, a little bit brown shade, not a not very dark brown shade, and I'm just going to apply it in the outer corners of my eyes and also on my lower lash line, just in the outer areas. And now I'm going to apply eyeliner on my waterline. I'm going to apply a mascara, and this mascara gives a very natural lashes. And after that, after applying my mascara, I'm going to be applying false lashes that are very natural, that are not too heavy. And I'm going to apply a very light nude lipstick. So that is the final look. This is Nimrat Khaira inspired makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up, and you can leave your comments below in the comment section. I would love to reply you guys back. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you so much again.